Hai lam sabo jotono ani channel lo tini gangkai sini school kaisa program tongo omohno oxig night hai ka exhibition sini student rok kubungma bong yak bai salamjak students miya bong parents ong support ko yak tongo student parents mi doinai kubungma models khaimani omno teinai borok tini exhibit khainai gangkai oro phainai manja phainai sini chief guest Swrangkha sini Bubagra product kishore bikrammanikya temporma body test na tutong sabai nai so laile
dominated world, and it is the age of innovation. In a world where knowledge is power, helping you to discover the treasure within you, we want to embark on and begin a journey of learning together.
Much of my communication level comes from the fact that when I was in class 5, when I was in class 6, I would stand up here like these 3 young girls and I would do exactly what they did. I was no Maharaja or no king or no royal family. I was in front of everyone like you all, and I used to go there and entertain. And that gave me confidence. And today, when Bubagra or Maharaja or whatever you call me speaks in front of thousands and thousands of people, I got that confidence when I was in a similar program in my school in class 6, class 7, making everyone hear what I have to say. So, this is very important. Today, I can speak in front of many people, in front of lakhs of people. But my first training happened in a program like this. Enjoy your art, enjoy your creativity, and try to improve yourself even more next year. Thank you so much.
Bubagra stall guri night mo tabo
My college is right. From Lashuvia, you can just come right. Yes, just come down. Oh, the street. I also know this place. Looks familiar. Is it naturally?
I don't know what it is. So the football diagram is there.
Do you play football also? Yes. What's the most popular? I thought it was your daughter. What's the most popular sport here?
Volleyball.
ya kayak ham और ये सब इधर बना है
Let go!
sini student rok Bubagra no explanation kai kamu
Go, sister.
Sister, please. Hello.
Finally, we have an hour program and it's very wonderful. And today being a Saturday, enjoy the weekend and happy weekend to everyone.
Come by. Well, go running.
Dan kasih kong.
Datang sama Hey, nice to see you. Bahai Tongwai. So after so many years.
Yes.
After many years. After many years. Yeah.
Adam phải im to ta cái đồ hôm nay nè con đồ người này first Adam chỉ buộc tổng rồi đó chỉ buộc nó làm cái này thì ta cái thô bột tổng rồi đó thô cái mắt cái này cá
How are you? Yes, you will see here again. So thank you.
Sir, our video. Thanks, sir. काला आ रहा है
Hey, tada, papa.
लाइफ में इतना मैंने कभी नहीं खींचा
Maka som toka, wati wana nai toka. So canteen side.
Hello.
Sapia nin teres side. School canteen oh, kai taudi borka kawai school canteen full. Hachu.
Long time no see. So happy to meet
Happy to meet.
you, sir.
Now you are before. You remember this place?
Yes, assembly ground.
Yes. So nice to meet our past people. So nice to meet you. After many years back, you have come back.
Coming back to the place where we have, completed our entire started.
Yes. They are the past people of this school. So after many years back, again they are returning. So nice to see you all. Nice to see you to come back again in home. Ni Bapak Kai? Hasil ni Pabla Kisah.
Yeah, he came.
Yes.
He came and went.
Yes.
He went for me.
Yeah. Good day. Alien. Oh my God.
ซึ่งไม่ได้โวยเล่นไม่ได้โวยเล่น
Alien ini kan atau mana deh?
ไม่ได้โวย
Oh,
ซึ่งเขาก็สปีชว่าเขาทำเสร็จแล้วทำแบบให้เมียเสร็จ
saya ni nak kau orang nak, angkau orang nak update kaya. Tam sama. Orang nak mana kau angkum nukli ya tam saja. Miss Catholic. Bye. Rumah kau selesai Malaysia. Orange juice aku mango fruit ಇದೆ mango orang मजा
ये देखो यहाँ पर एक एलियन
हाँ दो एलियन ये सब ग्रीन और ये
Pernah borak ke bang man nilai deh, kepala keseng lah ya.
dan surbuka light is house kau nak kan
Ini bos kemai tamu terus.
oh yo how are you dia Hai hai what vậy tổng ra là thầy gọi yang pass people lock in rồi nè. Hi Dixie. Wah Trisha all the time. Rabia.
It was a very auspicious day. Today is actually it is ninth edition of Music Night, and the program was by the blessings of God. It was a very wonderful one. So somehow we have managed it very nicely. Thanks to all our management, our teachers, especially. We must not forget our students. They have
And
done
also
tremendous hard work, and also our beloved parents. Thank you to everyone. Okay, I hope everybody have enjoyed the occasion.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Yeah, great. So, today ni bagai afternoon sinai program pakai ini exhibition. So, Malai pinai dia kasi video kan video nu saja hanggai like, share kena kita beri.
I'm in the night. Let's spark a light and see where it leads. Just you and me.